Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at some tools. So the tools I'm going to look at are by KNIPEX or KNIPEX, whichever you prefer. So here they are. The set, long nose pliers, normal pliers, pair of cutters. So these were ordered from Amazon, and like I said before, what I like is to see tools where they're made in Germany. So happy with that. So we'll get these out. Sorry for the reflection of my light, but I can't help that. So let's quickly have a look. So you get your long nose pliers, your normal pliers, and your cutters. So pretty good. So these are what came in the kit. I originally bought these for work, but I'm in two minds at the minute whether to actually use these for work. Firstly, for the amount that they cost and the type of environment they'll be going in. So I always work on outside, not inside, so they'll be prone to all weathers, but a bit stiff, but you know what, I don't care really for that. So quality, you know, I'm a big fan on branded tools. I was thinking of just buying them for the normal DIY that I do at home. So yeah, what can I say about them? There's a load of tool reviews about them. So there's the model number there and also there. So it's 180, so it's the size of the actual pliers. Model number there, 200, so 200 mil. Vanadium Super KNIPEX, made in Germany, says it right there. But yeah, I'm not going to go too long about it, but you know, 160, these are all different sizes, so 160, 180 and a 200. But like I said, I like branded stuff, especially when originate from where they work. So here's the packaging. That's all in German. There we go. KNIPEX pliers are made high quality materials with advanced manufacturing process and subject to strict quality inspections. So there's the list in there. Well, and that's it. Professional pliers set. Brilliant. I've also got a set of WIHA or VHA, however you want to say it. But yeah, I'm happy with these, quality wise. You know, brilliant. I like them. Expensive, but they'll do. Oh, another thing, I bought these myself. It's not a sponsored video, so yeah, there we go. If you want to know the price, I'll put it down below in the comments. Let me know what you think. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe.